Practice is the Kogod School of Business's new experiential learning initiative, where students are going to gain hands-on experience and tools and skills to be successful in a particular industry. There are different components of Kogod in practice, and some of the key components are pro bono projects, which are consulting projects with real clients. These pro bono projects are with real-world companies to solve real business problems that they might have. So we have some really great small to mid-sized companies that are leading edge and very exciting.
In our capacities as pro bono consultants, we've been consulting and providing the client's needs, answers to their questions, providing our own takes on their matters. It's been a wonderful project. We've enjoyed it very much.
We really drove the ship, and as long as the client was happy with it and gave us really great feedback, then we continued to move forward.
The client has been kind and helpful when it comes to this. They've given us a lot of flexibility, and it's been great to work with them, and I'm really lucky to have had them in my first project.
All of this is real. It's not a person or a company posing as a company. They are real clients with real companies with real issues to be solved. For these pro bono projects, even if a student does not want to get into the field of consulting, these tools and skills that they gain can be transferred to any career or any job that they choose to get into. They're hugely valuable.
I think what's so interesting about consulting is that the training that you receive is honestly a sort of the sum of your collective experiences.
Consulting is a very catch-all in the business world. Even if you have no interest in it, it's invaluable skills that you're building.
These clients are so excited to have student teams. They're hugely grateful to have the students and are just excited to have their business issues solved.
That first time experience might have been a challenge, but having my team and having them, it's made it a lot more easy to overcome, and I'm really thankful for that.
It's really great getting to know my teammates as well as the clients. There's definitely a great friendship between the four of us, which will last for years to come, and that's really special as well. So it's great to have the opportunity to do these consulting projects for many reasons.
I think that's something Kogod does a really great job of, just for programs across the board, is to really embed this idea of experiential learning. And so if you're really excited about that, and that's something that is particularly compelling to you, I think that Kogod in Practice is a really nice way to complement that, to get that even outside of the classroom.